In this explainer, we're going to spotlight the absolute best, most powerful, and yeah, completely free AI tools that you can start using today.
Okay, first up, let's talk about the fun stuff, creativity. Whether you're an artist, you're a musician, or you're just someone with a cool idea, these tools can literally become your ultimate creative sidekick.
So, meet Leonardo AI. And listen, this is not just another image generator. This thing is a full-blown creative suite. It has its own custom-tuned models, which are trained on this incredible, high-quality data that you just can't find anywhere else. What that means for you is you can create truly unique, absolutely stunning art from just a few words.
And getting started, it's ridiculously easy. You just make a free account, and that gets you a fresh batch of credits every single day. Then you pick a model, and you gotta try their exclusive lucid realism for these amazing photorealistic results. Type in what you're imagining, and boom, you hit generate. It's that simple.
And you know, the free version is just so generous. This isn't some limited trial. You get those daily credits, you get access to their best models, and you even get these powerful editing features. Like you can literally select part of an image and just type add a baseball cap right here. It's a whole creative studio and it's free.
Okay, so you've just created your visual masterpiece with Leonardo. But what's missing, right? Every great visual needs an equally great soundtrack. And that, my friends, is where our next tool, Suno, comes into play.
All right, I've been playing with all these tools, and Suno is something you just have to hear to believe. This tool doesn't just make a beat or a little melody. No, it generates entire songs from a single sentence. I'm talking lyrics, vocals, multiple instruments, all perfectly arranged into a complete track. It's wild.
And just like Leonardo, it's so easy to jump into. All you do is describe the vibe, the genre, the topic of the song you're hearing in your head. Just make sure you select the v3.5 model. It's fantastic, and it's totally available on the free plan. And you click Create. In seconds, you get a couple of completely unique songs to choose from.
All right, we've gone from creation to concentration. Let's switch gears and look at how AI can completely change the game for how you research, learn, and just process information in general.
So if you're still using, traditional search engines for your research, Perplexity is about to change your entire workflow. See, it's not a search engine, it's an answer engine. Instead of just giving you a long list of links you have to dig through, it reads them for you and gives you a direct answer.
I mean, just think about the difference here. The old way is like asking a question and getting a pile of homework. The Perplexity way is asking a question and getting a nice, clean, summarized answer. And this is crucial. It shows its work. It clearly cites every single source it used.
Now, let's take that idea a step further. What if you could have an AI that becomes an expert on your specific materials? Well, that is exactly what Google's Notebook LM does. You feed it your own documents, your PDFs, your links, and it becomes your personal research assistant for that one topic.
Let me give you a perfect practical example. Let's say you get a new camera. You can upload the entire manual, add a bunch of links to online reviews, and paste in text from some tutorials. And then you can just ask it to generate summaries, make a mind map, or even create a whole audio podcast based on the stuff you gave it. It's just an incredibly powerful way to learn something new.
And finally, let's talk to all the developers and coders out there, because AI isn't just for writing and making pictures, it's also a seriously powerful co-pilot for writing clean, efficient code. You hear this sentiment all the time, right? I've seen GitHub Copilot, it's amazing, but I just don't want to pay for it. And yeah, it's true. Copilot is incredible, but it does come with that subscription fee. The good news? The free alternatives are getting really good.
For anyone looking for a free coding assistant, there are two names that are creating a ton of buzz right now, Codium and Supermaven. Both of them offer features that honestly rival the paid options, but without that price tag.
So how do you choose? Well, think of it like this. Codium is the solid, reliable all-rounder. It integrates perfectly into VS Code and just feels like a natural part of your workflow. But if speed is your #1 priority, you have to check out Supermaven. People who use it say it feels insanely fast, like it's giving you suggestions almost before you even know you need them.
And these tools do so much more than just simple autocomplete. They actually understand the context of your entire project, suggesting big, relevant blocks of code. You can ask them to explain some complex function you inherited, or to help you hunt down a really frustrating bug. It's kind of like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, just helping you work faster and smarter.
Okay, so we've covered tools for creators, for researchers, for coders. So what's the big takeaway? What does all of this really mean for you?
It means that the barrier to entry, that big wall that used to stop people, has been completely shattered. You don't need a huge budget or super expensive software to create amazing things or to work more efficiently anymore. These incredibly powerful tools are now accessible to everyone.
Honestly, the only way to truly understand what this technology can do is to just use it. Don't just read about it. Go to these websites, sign up for a free account, and just experiment. Play around. See what you can create.
Because at the end of the day, the whole conversation is shifting. I think we're moving past the point of just being amazed by what AI is capable of.
And we're moving into a much more interesting question. With these incredible free tools right at your fingertips, the real question is, what will you build? What will you create? What problems will you solve? The power is officially in your hands.